Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we give you the real story behind the products you're curious about. Today, let's dive into a skincare duo that promises to fight acne and give you clearer skin. Differin Acne Fighter Pack. This combo features a 15 grams tube of Adapalene Gel, a potent 0.1% retinoid acne treatment, and 36 Salicylic Acid Pimple Patches. If you've been battling breakouts, this kit is designed to target both current pimples and prevent new ones from showing up. Let's start with the Adapalene Gel. This is a prescription-strength retinoid that has become a go-to for many acne sufferers. What's great about Adapalene is that it works deep in the pores, targeting the root cause of acne, and helps clear out blockages, preventing future breakouts. It doesn't just fight blemishes, it also works to improve your skin's texture and tone, reducing redness and scarring in the long run. For best results, you'll want to use it consistently for about 90 days, applying it once daily at night. It can be a game changer for acne-prone skin, but it's not an overnight fix, so patience is key. Now, let's talk about the Salicylic Acid Pimple Patches. These patches are an absolute lifesaver for those stubborn pimples that pop up out of nowhere. The beauty of these patches is that they work quickly, starting to flatten and soothe the acne within hours. The patches are ultra thin, which means they're discreet and can be worn during the day without anyone noticing. With salicylic acid as the star ingredient, these patches not only help to shrink the appearance of acne, but also exfoliate, keeping your skin smooth as they heal. In terms of real-world testing, I've found the Adapalene Gel to be effective when used regularly, though it does take time to see full results. My skin felt a little drier in the beginning, but after a week or so, the dryness balanced out as my skin got used to it. Just a heads up, when using this product, be sure to apply sunscreen in the morning, as retinoids can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. The pimple patches are a total win. They're easy to apply and actually stay on overnight, which is a rarity with some acne patches. I saw a noticeable improvement after just one night of wearing them, and by the second day, the blemish had visibly flattened. I especially loved how the patches prevented me from picking at my pimples, which can sometimes make things worse. Now for the pros and cons. On the positive side, both products are effective, easy to incorporate into a routine, and work well together for a comprehensive acne treatment approach. The gel has the added benefit of improving skin texture over time. The patches are an instant solution for popping pimples and have fast action. However, the Adapalene Gel can cause some dryness, especially in the first few weeks. So if you have sensitive skin, you may want to start with a thinner layer or alternate nights to build tolerance. As for the patches, they're only effective on emerging pimples, so they won't do much for deep cystic acne. In terms of value for money, I'd say this kit is priced fairly. You're getting both a long-term solution with the retinoid and an instant spot treatment with the patches. The gel especially is a great addition to your routine if you've been struggling with acne for a while. While it's not cheap, the effectiveness justifies the cost, especially considering how much it tackles in terms of both prevention and treatment. When compared to other acne treatment kits on the market, Differin's Acne Fighter Pack stands out because it offers a prescription-strength retinoid alongside an instant acne patch. Most other products offer one or the other, so this dual-action approach is a key differentiator. Now, I have to mention that the packaging is sturdy and the products feel well made, which adds to the overall confidence in the product. Both the gel and the patches are compact and easy to use, with no unnecessary fluff in the design. And while I haven't had direct experience with their customer support, Differin is a trusted brand, so you're in good hands if you do need assistance. If you're on the hunt for something a bit more affordable, there are some solid alternatives like Neutrogena's Acne Control line, which also features a retinoid-based treatment and acne patches. These options are priced a little lower, but may require more time or additional products to get the same results. So what's my final verdict on the Differin Acne Fighter Pack? This combo works, and works well. The Adapalene Gel is a powerful, long-term solution for acne, while the pimple patches give you that fast-acting relief for any flare-ups. Together, they cover all your acne treatment bases. If you're looking for a solution that tackles both current breakouts and helps to prevent new ones, this kit is definitely worth considering. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep bringing honest, in-depth reviews like this. Thank you so much for tuning in today. You can find the link to purchase the product in the comments or description box. If you've tried Differin or have any other acne treatment suggestions, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks again, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.